Cup. My name is Marat. I'm originally from Lithuania, but been traveling the world since 2010. I'm the founder of Sun Surfers community, and within this community we have different events. So here we have Sun Surfers University, which includes 30 people from 6 different countries, and for the duration of 10 days we do many activities starting from yoga, meditation, lectures, workshops, and we are really enjoying this place here in the north of Thailand. This is the first time when we have this event in Thailand, and we think it's the best event we have so far. Goodbye.
Нормально готовить? Просто подряд. Она говорит, загородная. Ну, не нужно. Нет, мясо.